How would you like to get paid anything from 50 cents to $4 again and again and make passive income online with a strategy that can be set up in less than 5 minutes? This has unlimited earning potential, and you can make hundreds of dollars daily. And this strategy is 100% free, and it will never cost you a single cent. Plus, it works all over the world. With this strategy, you can get paid every single day, but you must stay until the end of the video, so I can show you how to put all of this together, so you can have the best chance to make the most money. So pay close attention. And whatever you do, don't skip anything. But before we start, welcome to Money Making Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So today, I want to show you how to use this site called CPALED.com. This is available around the world. And I want to show you how you can use this very easily and make a lot of money. I love this website because you can get paid every single day. And this has been used by a lot of big companies. And the best part about this is that there are absolutely no selling. With this, I'm going to show you how to get fast leads, simply leads, absolutely for free without selling. And you can make a lot of money online. First of all you need to do is to come over here and click on this sign up button. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to sign up either through your Facebook account or your Google account. And if you take a look at this site, it says $1 minimum daily payment. And I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars with this website. And when you come over here, you can see that they have daily and weekly payment options. This is awesome when you combine this with a passive income strategy. And you can make a lot of money. For those of you that don't know what CPA means, it's the cost per acquisition or cost per action. When somebody completes an action, like signs up to something or provides their email, you're going to make a lot of money. They don't even need to go and buy that product. So when you come over here, they have got a whole list of stuff. But you don't need to worry yourself about that. I want to make this nice and easy for you, so that you can make a lot of passive income. After you sign up to this site, it's going to bring you over to this page. This is your dashboard. And when you scroll down, you can see how many sales you have made. Since this is a brand new account, you are not gonna see any sales yet. Over here, you have got your offers, your statistics. You can create landing pages, and etc. Now I want you to draw your attention to this filter over here. So when you click this, it's going to show you which countries you can do this in. And this is worldwide. I haven't seen a country that can't use the site. You have got the United States, India, you have got all of Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. So when you come over here, you have got this one, which says offer type devices and advertisers, which you can leave the setting just like this one. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. This is where you need to pay close attention. I want to show you the best offers to use to make passive income with this. So when you scroll down, you're going to see all of these different offers. And you can see their payouts as well. Just like I said, cost per acquisition or cost per action means they don't need to purchase anything. These companies will try and get these people to sign up to something so they can make money from all these sign-ups. When you scroll down, you got all different types of stuff like Netflix quizzes, dinosaur quizzes, cartoon quizzes, etc. But what we are looking for is stuff like gift cards. So when you come down here, there is this gift card. There are also some restaurant gift cards. And then you can also see some really good gift cards from different stores as well. Right now it only shows stuff from the US. But you can change this to all countries if you want to. Or you can also choose specific countries. I have left this on the US at the moment. If we scroll down here, you can see this one over here, where you can make this amount of money every time someone signs up. Take a look at how easy it is to get your link. All you need to do is just click on this, and over here. This is your affiliate link. If you share this and someone clicks on this, and they sign up, you'll get paid with this amount of money. This is super simple, super easy. And it's highly effective, you guys. And again, this is your link over here. What you want to do is to come over here and copy this link. So when somebody clicks on this link, the CPA lead will send them an offer. And if they complete that offer, you will still get paid. So how are we going to get this free traffic? What I want you to do from here is to come over to this site over here called tryinteract.com. I have been using this site to make some really good money online. So I want to show you how you can do the same thing. So please pay close attention. So when you are on this page over here, you don't even need to sign up. All you need to do is come over here and click on to make your quiz for free. Once you click onto that, it's going to take you to this page. From there, simply click on create a quiz. And that will bring you over to this page. And I'm going to show you how to do this where it's super simple. So you come over here and click on start from scratch. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. Then you can just click on assessment, which is going to take you over to a page that looks like this. Now this looks complicated at the moment, but it's super simple. From here, we're going to create a very quick quiz. As you can see, you have got all these options over here. And we're going to make this super simple in the top heading over here. Answer this for a chance to win $100 gift card. And then what you need to do is you need to upload a photo. Because having a photo makes it stand out a lot more. The next thing to do is to come over to Google and look for a gift card photo. Then right-click on the image and choose Copy Image. And then you come over to canva.com from where you can create a design with the dimensions of 900 by 400 pixels because that is the size for that section in that quiz. Once you click on Create a New Design, you will come over here, right-click and paste the copied image right here and just crop the image to make it the right size and then save this on your computer. After that, you can come over here and upload the photo like this. Just click on the upload, then choose the photo we have created. And then this is going to upload that photo directly onto here. You can move this around, do some adjustments, then just click onto this to save. The next thing to do is to come over here and type in a description to tell people what they are getting themselves into. For example, you can type in answer this very simple question and follow instructions for a chance to win a gift card. So over here is where you can place your call to action. All you need to do is just type in something like click here to access the quiz. After that, you're going to enter the URL which you can place here. So when you come back to cpale.com and click this offer over here, then I'm going to copy this link. And then we are going to come back here and add that URL inside here and click on this option and then click save. What we need to do next is to enter the questions. So when you come over here, this is where you are going to type in the questions. All you have done for questions is something very simple like this one over here. And then just put your answers in these boxes over here. You can write something like this, or you can just create your answers. It's all up to you. Then over here, you can set the correct answer. All you need to do is click on this one over here, and then choose which one is the correct answer. When they click on the correct answer, they will get a green light like that. And then you can just save that from there. What you need to do now is click on this button above which says publish. After that, we will come over to a page that looks like this. And as you can see, it says live link to your quiz. Now all you need to do is copy this link over here. And that is the link that we are going to be sharing later on. So when people click on it, and they have completed this quiz, you're going to get paid $1.16 again and again in passive income. To preview your quiz, all you need to do is come back over to this page over here and click where it says preview quiz. So if you click that, it is now going to show us the same quiz which we created earlier. Once they start to take the quiz, they will click on the correct answer or any answer. And then it says congratulations, you have qualified. And when they come over here and click this button, which says click here to enter, that's going to take them straight over to that offer. And then once they sign up, we're going to get paid $1.16. So where are you going to promote this quiz so that you can start making passive income? The best place. That's it for this video. Follow the steps, take action, and enjoy your money. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some value out of this video. And I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Stay safe and stay amazing.